6 investigation. Owners at an Indianapolis auto dealer are facing criminal charges for tax evasion months after police raided several locations. Brandy Pearson and Amy Lair are both charged with failure to remit taxes. They both work for Circle City Auto as well as Empire Auto Group, located on Madison Avenue and West Washington Street. Records show they collected sales tax but failed to report and pay more than $500,000 to the Indiana Department of Revenue over the course of 5 years. The dealer's attorney released a statement. It says, quote, "We have been working cooperatively with the prosecutor's office to investigate what tax payments may be owed. We look forward to reaching an amicable solution to this matter."